Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a quick tabletop review and installation. I mean, there are a ton of videos out there on this product, but I figured, you know what, there are always new people to the community, you know, that want more product information and to see how to do installations. So here it is. This is what we will be doing today's review on. It's on this Magpul MOE Plus grip. Just giving you a look at the box here. This is how it ships. So when you take a look at the box. Now, if you're new to this community, the gun community, AR-15 community, Magpul is top notch. Everything they make, most everything they make is just top notch, great products for your AR-15 variant rifle. This is how it ships. This is a actual unboxing. I've installed tons of these, but like I said, I just want to give you guys a quick review and demonstration on how to do an installation. Here's the actual grip itself. And these grips are amazing. Unlike the A1, A2, you know, GI issue grips, these are just a lot better. They're a lot wider. I mean, nice texturing. You could see here, there's very nice texturing on this gripping surface here. These grips are actually much thicker. Again, it's just much thicker than a standard GI issue A2 grip. So you can see this have a beaver tail on it, which allows you to get a really high up purchase on your AR-15, you know, which will help you mitigate recoil. I mean, it's AR-15, so there's not a lot of recoil anyway. But let's show you. This have a cover on it, storage compartment, and Magpul actually sell accessories in different covers here. I'm trying to just keep this on camera sometime. These things are a little hard to get off. There we go. But your hardware, your mounting hardware, is actually located underneath in that cover. And it have a thread locker already pre-installed, so you don't have to rush out to the store, you know, and buy Loctite or whatever other type of thread locker you like. So, all right, let's go on and jump into this install. Try to keep this as brief and as quick as possible. I'm sure you guys have seen this lore before in previous videos. Just gonna take this, what would be a GI issue or standard AR pistol grip. I'm going to remove it and replace it. Just going to take my handy little hex driver here, disassemble and remove this grip. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So as you can see, we are going left to remove this grip here. I'm going to go radio silent and get this off. All right, there we go. That is all. So what you're going to want to do at this point is just keep it upside down like this. Because you have a spring in here and you have a detent, you do not want to lose that detent, especially if you don't have replacement parts at home. So just take and remove that old grip. Just going to set it on the table here. Here's a spring here, and here's your detent, which is that gold colored device that's in the holder. Oh, just keep that in a hole, tip this sideways here. Grab my MOE Plus grip here, drop the spring inside just like I'm doing here. Flip it over. You want to be careful when you're installing this. Make sure that you do not bend the spring here, because if you bend it, you're going to need to replace it. So it's going to sit on just like that. Let me grab the hardware out of the bag. Probably should have done that first, but sometimes you tend to do things in a little bit of a weird order when you're doing stuff on camera. All right, just going to take my... This hardware is pretty nice. Like I say, I did mention that it had thread locker pre-installed. But the hardware here, there is a hex as well as a flat where you could use a flathead screwdriver if you don't have hex bits. So I can't get it to really focus. But anyways, sometimes people like to know that so they know what hardware they need prior to doing the installation. All right, let's, I'm just going to turn this sideways, keeping this upside down. And you're going to want to run the screw right there in that threaded hole there. you do not want to over torque this while doing an installation, because you are screwing a steel screw into an aluminum receiver, and over torquing it, you can ruin your aluminum receiver by stripping it out. So that is it. That is how you complete the installation of your brand new MOE Plus grip. Just gonna throw the cover back on here. Yeah, you do want to do a functions test after the MOE Plus grip installation of your safety selector switch. And if you're interested in this particular selector switch, this is a Sequence Precision. It's a ambi selector switch with a 60 and 90 degree throw. It's currently configured for the 60 degree throw, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. So if you're interested in this, check out my channel. There's a video up. Also, this is the Odin Works extended mag release. If you're interested in this, check out my channel. I have pretty in-depth reviews, tabletop reviews, as well as installation videos on both of these. The storage cover, Magpul actually sell more of these covers for like batteries and, you know, different applications. So you could just get online and do a search for these covers. They have plenty out there, you know, whatever floats your boat. They also make this Plus grip, this MOE Plus grip, in 4 different colors. This is the black one, of course, but it also comes in OD green, it comes in foliage, and flat dark earth. So there are plenty of options out there. And they also make the same MOE Plus grip. Well, not the same, it's shaped different, but they make them for the AK-47 as well. So if you have an AK, you could get you a Plus grip with the same rubbery surface, and all this is it's an over molded rubber surface over polymer. And the surface is really great. You know, it's non-slip. Even if this was to get wet, you know, I've shot ARs out in the rain and AKs with the MOE Plus grip, and these grips are a non-slip grip, even if they get wet. So there's no issues or concerns or worries with slippage. That is pretty much going to do it for this review and installation of the Magpul MOE Plus grip. I'm going to give this grip 2 thumbs up. The price of this grip, you could find them anywhere from $15 to $24. And I don't know, like I say, it's just a great grip. I've used them for, I'm going to say, in upwards of 4+ years now. So these grips are just amazing, and it's, like I say, it's much thicker, or not much thicker, but you could just get a better purchase on a Plus grip than, you know, the standard GI issue grip here. So that's going to do it. Hey, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. You know, it really helps the channel. Also, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment, and I will, you know, reply to your comment. I do check my comments and reply to them. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. That way you could keep up with installations and new videos as I drop them. And last but not least, VetterGuns&Gear also would like to remind you to thank your local law enforcement, local first responders, and your local military. Those are the true American heroes. VetterGuns&Gear, out of here.